Are you feeling run down, stretched too thin, or just not sleeping well? Hi, I'm Kim Totley. If you're a busy professional who wants practical, research-driven ways to rest better, manage stress, and stay strong all season, you're in the right place. Go ahead and subscribe right now. You don't want to miss any of the powerful wellness strategies designed for leaders like you. Let's talk about why stress and rest management matter. Sleep is the most underrated factor in overall health. It impacts eating habits, productivity, your immune system, hormones, and your emotional resilience. Stress slowly erodes decision-making, emotional health, and physical wellness. For high-achieving leaders, unmanaged stress can show up as fatigue, burnout, or reduced clarity. Rest and stress management aren't luxuries. They are leadership necessities. When you protect your sleep and manage your stress well, you protect your energy, your decision-making power, and your presence as a leader. Leaders who rest well make better decisions, they manage their teams with clarity, and they lead with resilience. So, protecting your rest, managing your stress with tools like doTERRA's Serenity system isn't an indulgence, it's a strategy. Your leadership presence is stronger when you're rested and centered. Here are some practical rest strategies to incorporate. They are some healthy bedtime habits that you can incorporate, such as create a consistent sleep and wake schedule. Limit screen time before bed. Create a calming routine for yourself using essential oils like doTERRA's Serenity Restful Blend. It creates a peaceful atmosphere that signals to your body it's time to relax. Pair your essential oils with rituals like diffusing while journaling or applying to the bottoms of your feet before bed to train your body for restorative sleep. Managing stress effectively is key. Stress management begins with eating right, movement, and mindful practices like meditation or journaling. Essential oils add another tool to that practice. When diffused or applied topically, they create a calming sensory anchor for your nervous system. The aromas of doTERRA's Serenity Restful Blend include lavender, Roma chamomile, ylang ylang, and sandalwood. All of these help ease tension and promote calm emotions during the day and at the end of the day. The doTERRA Serenity system consists of two components. The first component are the Serenity Restful Blend Oil, or is the Serenity Restful Blend Oil. Diffuses at night for deeper rest. Applied to the bottoms of your feet before bed. Or during stressful moments during the day, grab it and just take a deep breath. The second component is the Serenity Restful Blend Complex Softgels. These softgels include natural ingredients like lavender, passion fruit, and L-theanine, which support sleep without the grogginess once you wake up. Want some usage ideas? Well, how about add the Serenity Restful Blend to a diffuser at night to calm restless sleep. Add 2 or 3 drops to Epsom salts for a warm bath. Or take your DIY aromatherapy jewelry, add Serenity Restful Blend, and have that on you all day for just an even calm. To stay strong all season, prioritize rest, manage stress proactively, and use natural support tools like the doTERRA Serenity system. Subscribe now for more practical wellness strategies that fuel your leadership. And check the description for my guide on why wellness is your leadership edge. These statements have not been evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration. These products are not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease.